Hello, and welcome to this 5-minute foot relief class, perfect for post-work, post-travel, post-standing, anything you've been doing where your feet have been working really hard and you want to show them a little bit of love. You'll need a 1.5 to 2 inch ball. It could be an exercise ball, a golf ball, salt ball, anything that you've got. And let's go ahead and get started. So bringing the ball down onto your mat, place your heel down on the floor and just start to rock your weight into the front of your foot on the ball. If it feels like your balance is challenged at all here, please move to the wall and use the wall with one hand on it for support. And just rocking your weight into the ball as you're moving the ball around a little bit on the bottom of your foot. So just finding the areas where it feels a little bit tender and slowly working into those. Then bringing your toes to the mat, heel up, and pressing your weight down the opposite way into the ball. So now your toes are down, you're kind of stepping onto the ball a bit. Getting the ball underneath your heel, which, fun fact, the calcaneus or heel bone is the densest bone in the body, which makes sense because that's what hits the earth every time we walk. That's what hits the earth first. All right, so now while the ball is under your heel in the center of your foot, keep your toes down and just rock the ball left to right underneath the back part of your foot and heel. So just kind of moving forward and backward as you rock side to side. And then bringing your heel down and doing that the other way towards the front part of your foot. Underneath the mound of the big toe. And then hovering over the ball, begin to roll the ball from front to back now, going across the long arches of your foot. So rolling from underneath the mound of the big toe back to the heel, and then the second toe. And feel free to go to the wall anytime for balance. Just going all the way down the length of the foot. And then back the other way. Hopefully this all feels really good. I know when my feet are tired, this feels great to me. And then just squiggling the ball underneath that foot. Taking whatever movements feel good. Getting under the heel. And then roll your ball in front of your feet. Bring both feet to the mat. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, or just soften your gaze. And just notice the difference between right and left foot. Maybe the foot that was on the ball feels like it has more contact with the mat now than the other foot. And we'll switch sides. So starting with your heel down on the mat and rocking your weight forward into the ball. This is a wooden ball that my daughter got in this town called Wengen in Switzerland, which is a car-free town that is known for these marble runs that are all over the town, and the kids can go around on a scavenger hunt and do each of these marble runs with these wooden balls that you buy at the visitor center. She loved it. It was a lot of fun. And it's perfect for this. So I've borrowed it for the day. And then switching, so now toes are down, weight coming into your heel. Another fun fact, we have 26 bones in each foot. That's about 1/4 of the bones in our whole body. So they're quite complex. And we have 800 nerve endings, which is why we are more ticklish in our feet usually than other places, and probably why you feel the motion under this ball quite a bit in your feet. All right, so now toes down, going back and forth, right to left, underneath the heel, in the back part of your foot. And then heel down and rolling left to right across the front part of your foot, underneath the short arch of the foot. And then front to back. So starting underneath the mound of your big toe and rolling down the length of your foot. Second toe, third toe, fourth, all the way to the outer edge of the pinky toe side. And then back the other way. Taking your time as you do this. Noticing all the different spots of sensation underneath your foot. And then squiggling the ball under your foot. Maybe noticing those crunchy parts under the heel. And then rolling the ball out of the way. Bringing both feet to the mat. And just noticing now how each foot feels. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it and that your feet feel a bit better than when you started. And we can all use a free foot massage once in a while. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Namaste.